So hello everyone, Anirban this side. I'm the author of Direct Ad University. Today we're going to see how we can run Amazon ad for the first time of a brand new ads account. It's a brand new account. I got the permission from my client to show you his account. So as you can see, no sales, no open orders, no buyer messages, nothing. We're getting impressions because two campaigns are running currently over, I mean only for Germany, but we have stores over 13 countries. Okay, now this is the product, this is the I mean this is a construction related product. I think that's enough for the intro. Now let's go to the advertisement. Okay, campaign manager. Now before moving to advertisement, two things you need to understand. Number one is the product title. You should have a proper understandable keyword base product title. I mean the title of the product. And number two is reviews on your product page. Now at the initial level, when you don't have reviews on your product page, you may get time to get sales because your competitors maybe they have, and they will probably get the sales of yours. Okay, so but eventually you will get sale, but you need to be patient while running Amazon ads. Okay, so I hope it's pretty much clear. Now here, as you can see, create campaign. Let me show you something also about the campaigns in the status. Sometime what happens, you may get incomplete status. Okay, so if you get incomplete something in your status column, you should check the product details properly. Is anything missing, or Amazon is recommending something to change or not? Because sometimes what happens, your product images and mainly main images and informations are not aligned with the policies of Amazon ads, so they disapprove and they show you incomplete here. So you should always check after publishing your campaign. Now let's go to the section which is create campaign. Okay, so when you select create campaign, you will get to see three campaign types. One is sponsored products, sponsored brand, sponsored display. Now sponsored product is a search I mean search campaign. Okay, it will show like this when you search something on Amazon. This is pretty much understandable. And sponsored brand is something like which show on the top. Okay, on Amazon. And this is also okay. Sponsored display, it's pretty much similar with Google Ads, but not exactly. Okay, so the sponsored brand and sponsored display ad is only eligible for brand registered businesses, and this account is not brand registered, so I will not be able to show you the other two campaigns, but I will go with the sponsored products, which 90% advertisers use this. Okay, because it's cost effective, and it's actually drives sales to your product page. Now click here, continue. So here you have to give a name for the ad group. It can be anything, whatever you want. uh, Now first campaign I'm just giving hypothetically here. Okay, now you need to select your product. Now if you have similar product on your page, I mean Amazon listing, you should always define them through the SKU number. So as you can see, this is this is under inventory. So this is the product I want to sell. So I want to know the SKU number. It starts with 9. So we have two is one is 29, one is 9. So 9, this one I want to add. Okay, now under the targeting, which is very much crucial, you need to understand two things. If you have previous datas of your keywords and search term, then you should go with manual targeting. But as I am assuming you are a fresh business like me, so I don't have a past information and data, so I will go with the automatic targeting. But if but sometimes what happen, your targeting keywords but you are a fresh business account. So in that case, go with the manual targeting and enter your keywords and just target and just run ads on those keywords. But I'm someone who don't know anything about the keyword search term, what people are searching for. So in that case, automatic targeting is crucial. Okay, but you know, automated targeting is something which can ruin your budget at the initial level. If your title of the product is not properly defined. Okay, if your product title is properly defined with the measurements and all, if you are selling something like my product, then people are very clever nowadays. They won't click on your ads and your money will not waste. Okay, so this is something you need to understand. Now for me, I don't know about the keywords. Okay, for the product, and I want to know it like without running my first campaign. So go to the Google ads account and the Google keyword planner and search the basic keyword which is people are searching, I mean the main keyword, and you will get some close variants of the of those keywords and target them under manual targeting. Sometimes it works well but sometimes it doesn't. So you should go, you know, research properly on it. So as of now I'm just going with the automatic targeting because it's pretty much clear, understandable and easy to do it, and most of the beginners they use it. And I recommend to do it to understand the search term people are searching for uh, on Amazon, okay, for your product, and on which keyword you are getting clicks. You will also get to know about this in the search term reports. Okay, now here we have two options: set bits by targeting group and set default bits. Now I recommend you to go with the default bits because if you click here, you'll get to see four options which may be confusing. Now let me tell you. Now close match is something. Now Amazon has given us some um, I mean examples. Now if this is the product. Okay, now if someone search, now shopper search something like this carton sheet or 400 carton sheet, then your ad will show. Now sometimes it may be relevant or may not be relevant, so I prefer to go with the default with a minimum amount you want to bid. Okay, so now I just want to bid for 80 to rank higher because this is the maximum amount people are bidding as I can understand. So go with the 80 or 85. Yeah, now always ranking high on Amazon doesn't make sense, and you also know that uh, like in the Google ranking higher is important, but on Amazon ranking second or third is also relevant because people overlook the first ad and first product mostly. Now you can also add negative keyword targeting. Okay, negative keyword negative product targeting. What exactly negative product targeting? Now you know some products which are not relevant to your product but your ad is showing to them. So just search the product ASIN number. So what exactly ASIN number? Every product on Amazon have a ASIN number. This is the ASIN number. Okay, let me show you. Now for example, these are random product. Just go to the URL and you will get to see this 9 digit, 9 or 12 uh, 11. Okay, uh, 11 digit code. So this is the ASIN number. So paste here and click enter and exclude the product from your advertising list. Okay, okay, but this is the important thing to understand. Why Amazon is recommending us to exclude products because we are targeting for search terms. Then why? Now this is the catch. When you go with the automatic targeting, uh, your ads will show multiple pages of Amazon like search and also in product pages. Can you see here this kind of competitors ads? So your ad on you will only will also show on this ways. Okay, so for this they are recommending you some add to some negative product targeting. Now under the bidding strategy, don't think too much, just go with the dynamic bid up and down. 90% advertisers they use this one because sometimes what happens, your bid needs to increase, sometimes it needs to decrease, so go with this one. But if you know that you are bidding higher for the keyword, then go with the dynamic bids down only, but I recommend dynamic bids up and down. Okay, top of the search. Now if how much percentage you want to increase to rank higher on the search result of the Amazon, I will say 100%. What about the rest of search? It's 550. And product page, I mean product page means this type of ads. Now my primary focus is just go with the search, so I will not add anything here. You can also further increase the bid across placement of Amazon business. Now if you want to show your ads on hidden places of Amazon under the product page, for example, uh, hidden places means, if I have example that would be better, something like this is a hidden place, also this is the hidden place. Okay, so if you want to show your ads here, then increase the amount here. Okay, I want to actually increase the amount for this because it's works well than the search. You can also now under the audiences, as you are a new business, go with the purchase brand products, click on ad, this one. Okay, it means those who clicked or add to, I mean click or added this kind of construction products to their account, Amazon will show ads to them. Okay, or you can also add the first one, high likely highly converted per shoppers. Okay, and give a percentage, 200 something. I prefer to give more here because this is important. And give a name for the campaign and date, budget, this is not important, and launch. That's it. Okay, it's very easy to run ads on Amazon, and the difficult part is to understand the search term and kind of patience you need, because Amazon take a lot to review their images, products and other things. So keep waiting for the result and you will get results very soon. But if you're not getting result under automatic targeting, go with the manual targeting on some specific keywords, and after understand the search term people are searching for. And that's for today. If you like the video, like. If you don't like it, you can skip the video to the other video. And okay, have a nice day. If you want to contact me for the services or something else, you can check it out the description. You may get some links and contact infos to contact me. Thank you so much. Thanks for being here. Bye.